Hey everyone, welcome to Freedom Ranch Homestead. Today we want to give you an update on the progress we're making on our log home.
Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up.
So Dan and Corbin and Harvey had been hard at work installing our brand new metal roof. We are using a 26 gauge standing seam metal roof, which means that there are no screws that are poking out and thus no risk of rusting or having any leaks into the ceiling, which is fantastic. The metal roof is going on. Hey, Corbin. So another thing that has been happening while the metal roof has been being put on is the downstairs basement has been framed out. So when we originally designed the cabin, we had no intention of having a basement. It was just going to be a smaller log cabin, just a 1-story with a loft and an extra bedroom. And since we found out that the grading on our property would be a perfect fit for a basement, we decided to go for it. And now we have another 800 square feet of living space and storage space. So right now I am standing next to the big tree that helps support our ceiling beam. And it is also part of the staircase going up to the loft area. And also we walk around it in order to get to the basement stairs, which we're gonna go down in just a second. The kitchen is gonna be right here. And you can see right here, they have temporary stairs that have been put in next to the tree. So it'll be a nice open floor plan with the stairs going up. And then we have an enclosed staircase going down so that when Chuck is in his office, he can close the door and not have any distractions or any noise bothering him. So here is the door frame to go down into the basement. You have to excuse it. It is a mess. Obviously, we're in construction mode still. So when you walk down, the first area over here is going to be Chuck's office. And he obviously works from home, so this will be a very nice quiet place for him. And then we have some open floor space here, probably going to be an extension of the workout room, maybe put our treadmill there. Where the workout rack is right now will be a couch and a television set. We are not having a television upstairs because I really don't want it upstairs. And they thought they could have a little man cave down here, they being Gabe and Chuck and Christian. So over here, where the food supplies are, we have the 2 windows that are still being ordered, and they will cut those out and put them in once they come in. And then we'll have the double French doors going out onto kind of a concrete patio, which you can see is going to be a really nice view for Chuck while he's working. So once again, this is going to be a TV room. And then where the coolers are and up against the wall is going to be where all the weights and everything go for the guys to have their workout space. Then we go down the hallway. When you take a left, you will enter into a full bath. This will mainly be used by Gabe and when we wash the dogs. So we'll have a shower in there that they can easily get in and out of, and we can wash them. There will be a door here that enters into the mechanical room / storage space. When you turn to the left here, this is my laundry room. So washer and dryer, maybe possibly a utility sink. I'm still up in the air over that, but more than likely I will put it in there. This is where our hot water heater, all of our obviously electrical, we will have a setup here for solar panels, which we will be putting on the roof down the road so that we can be completely off grid when we choose to. So we'll have our septic and then our solar panels and our spring box. So we don't have to rely on anyone. So we have our new freezer here. This will become a walk-in freezer. So there'll be shelves on both sides and then a big area in the center. So we can store our food without having to rely upon these suckers, although we'll still have them more than likely. And then this room right here is my room. It is the pantry. It's where all of our canned goods will go. We're hoping it'll stay nice and cool being next to that freezer area. But either way, it'll be closed off and it will stay protected from any sunlight. And then underneath the stairs, we have a storage space. So there will be a door there where we can put things underneath the stairs, which is fantastic. So that is the tour of the basement. And yeah, hope you like it. They put in all our canned lighting. So we got all the electrical put in. We had our inspector come out last week, so we're hoping we passed inspection. And we can get electricity down here and then get the plumbing in, and then I can get my washer and dryer out of storage and put them in so I can start doing laundry here. That will be an amazing thing. So on that exciting note, I will end the video.
So we hope you enjoyed the video. Brooke does a lot of work to put these videos together, and I just think she does an amazing job. Hit the like button, subscribe. We love your comments, and it helps us understand more of what you're looking for in our videos and following our journey. And we just hope you enjoy it.
I enjoy putting them together, and we hope that you enjoy watching that you get some entertainment and maybe just a little bit of knowledge. And definitely be on the lookout for the next video. It's going to be either us processing our meat chickens, something I had never done before, or it's going to be about our new 4-board fence that Gabe and his friend Graham have been building for us.
And another way you can help build the channel is to share it on Facebook and Instagram and all those kind of social media platforms, just to help broaden out with your own connection base and get more people exposed to the channel. So as you know, we are working on finalizing the last pieces of the charity, the refuge at Freedom Ranch. And part of it is to help children who are coming from drug addicted families and really give them a place, a true refuge, to come out and be part of something amazing. As you know from the videography that Brooke does on this property, this is a place where people could really come and recharge and rest and relax. And we really hope to bring that to children who are suffering from very high levels of trauma in their lives, and give them just really a lot of hope and peace, and really be able to connect with God and
find joy in being with the animals,
right,
and being outside in nature and being in a safe place. So hopefully more information will be coming out on that. But for right now, we have signed the dotted line to make this an official charity, and now we're just waiting for the taxman to say, you're good to go. The more you share, the more you press the like button, the more followers we get, the more goes to the charity. So please help us out and help out those children who are in need by subscribing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again very soon.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care.